Welcome to Tour the World. In our last video, we explored Tallinn and Riga, the beautiful capitals of Estonia and Latvia. We used real drone footage to capture their stunning landscapes. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out on our YouTube channel. Today, we're taking you to Gdansk, a vibrant port city in Poland. We recommend flying from Riga since driving takes over 9 hours. Gdansk has a population of nearly 486,000 and is Poland's 6th largest city and main seaport. This city has a rich history, switching between Polish, German, and self-rule over the centuries. Let's start in the Old Town, known for its cobblestone streets, Gothic churches, and colourful merchant houses from its Hanseatic League days. Don't miss St. Mary's Basilica, one of the world's largest brick churches. Finished in 1502, it can hold around 25,000 people and is famous for its huge astronomical clock and beautiful altarpiece. Nearby buildings mostly follow ancient architecture. Just a 10-minute walk from St. Mary's is the Ołowianka Island Footbridge. This modern bridge connects the old town to Ołowianka Island, making it easy to explore more cultural and historical sites, like the Baltic Philharmonic and the National Maritime Museum. Next, we visited St. Catherine's Church, one of Gdansk's oldest and most significant churches. Built in the 14th century, it's known for its striking tower and one of Europe's oldest carillons. That's it for our Gdansk adventure. We hope you enjoyed it. In our next video, we'll be heading to Warsaw, the capital of Poland. We'd love to hear your feedback. Until next time, take care and see you in the next episode.